Okay, this is the DIY Geiger counter. It came with this little protective screen that I've undone the nuts on. And there you can see the circuitry underneath. Over here is the power in. It has both a DC jack and a terminal block. It came with this power cord that goes from USB to DC jack. It takes 5 volts in. That's the way I've always powered it. Just grab a USB power bank. And click it on. It has the power LED there. This is the LED for when it detected radiation. Now, instead of just waiting to see if it detects any, what you can do to test it is short out the Geiger tube. Even just touching it is enough to create enough capacitance that it will trigger that it's detected some radiation. That's just fooling it. Now, it's got a potentiometer here that is for changing the sensitivity. If you turn that to max, then it'll pretty much always be triggered just by background radiation. And there's several jumpers on here. This one is labeled test. There's one in the middle here, labeled J1, I guess jumper 1. And there's one over on the left hand here, labeled P100. Next to that P100 jumper is the output pins that I'm told go to Arduino to actually read the data. And it came with this DuPont cord, which also has 3 pins, 3 colors, which I suppose is how you connect it to an Arduino. Now, it also came with this aux cable headphone jack, which is for outputting the audio to other devices. And finally, it came with this battery box, which you would connect into the terminal block there. And it holds 3 AA batteries, which would output 4.5 volts, close enough to 5 volts, I guess, to also power it, though USB is probably simpler. It has 3 microprocessors on here. I don't know if I have enough light to... Here we go. If you can read it. I'm not sure if that's a real Texas Instruments chip, but it does have the Texas Instruments logo on it. It's a 555, which is a timing chip. Over here in the middle, there is another 555. Okay, there you can read it. And over here, I think this must be the main microprocessor. An LM356, which is actually one that can calculate where the 555s are only for timing. And I guess that's pretty much it. Here you can see the model, I guess that is, or a revision. And thanks for watching.